Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper, and we are in the beautiful Trinity, Florida, in Cuts and Color Salon. Take a walk with me and I want to show you this beautiful metallic wallpaper that I just hung from Erica Wakerly. Let's have a look. If you have a hair salon or a nail salon and you want to make the place pop, you know what you want? You want this beautiful chic wallpaper. You know what I love about this stuff? It's shiny. This isn't just boring wallpaper, vinyl. This stuff shines and it glitters. So when you hang this on 8-foot walls, you have the shimmering effect. Just look at the beautiful pop that this wall and this wall took in this hair salon. Isn't that beautiful? Now we have a texture under this wallpaper, so you're seeing a 3D effect with the texture underneath it. But if you have flat walls, it does the same thing. It's a beautiful addition to your hair or nail salon, or any place that you want your place to have a real nice, chic, warm appearance. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Hit us up on YouTube, give us a like. Thanks for watching.